we go. It's going to be beautiful right here.
You know, it may just be in one of those recycle stages again, but this has been on the ground.
There it is, fellas. There it is.
Really didn't cause any damage, but you can clearly see it from Chopper 4. It's just turned the ground up there, and it is roped out. They're really beautiful. But again, we hope it doesn't pull in any more energy or any of these other small vortices that I see up top in the clouds come together, because this could be really bad, Mike.
This is going to be just west of Babcock Drive. That looks like that's maybe a part of Lake El Reno there on the right-hand part of your screen.
Okay,
there.
I know exactly where it is.
Looks like it's approaching Interstate 40 here, Jim. It's got to be just a few hundred yards south of I-40. I think we have David Payne still also.
Right 6 miles.
It's right there.
6 miles.
Just south of I-40.
Mike?
Yes, David, go ahead.
Oh, that's amazing, dude.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, that is amazing.
Oh, it's on the ground. You see it.
Yeah, it is. Oh, that is amazing.
What did I gotta say? A violent tornado?
What the hell?
Morgan.
Jonathan Connor's also there looking right at it. Jonathan, tell us where you are and what do you see?
Mike, we have a really good vantage point here. We're about a mile east of El Reno. We have kind of a broad view here.
Yeah, it is.
It's going back up.